concluding ceremony of 14-month-long Pakistan Workforce Development Project organized by ISRA University with US support was held at Movenpick. The focus of this $250,000 project was to strengthen student transition from education to employment by implementing strategies found successful in American universities. For instance, building an enduring mutually beneficial partnership between universities and industry. Speaking on the occasion, Acting Consul General of USA, John Warner, opined that lack of hope begets extremism. He held that U.S. assistance extended to Pakistani students in their transition from education to employment would help contain radicalism. Further speaking about the project, he said its outcome will help Pakistani universities raise their profiles in the local and international markets. Warner noted that program would enable Pakistani youth create new businesses and thereby expand the job market, alleviate poverty and opportunity. Dr. Kenneth Holland, talking to NewsPaksitanTV, told about the universities that benefited from the project.
This fourth year, the State Department provided additional funding to provide assistance to 10 other universities in Pakistan to also develop their programs in career services, business incubation, and entrepreneurship.
Bald State University's Dr. Julie Lebo, talking to NewsPaksitanTV, briefed about the project.
The aim of the program is to assist with entrepreneurial services, career services throughout this region. They also are including both men and women in all of their programs, and we have some special programs designed to help our disabled students.